hear the wind was in the pines. My heart was hanging heavy. I am leaving Carolina. Another 1,000 miles of highway under a shed.
So it's Wednesday. We came home on Sunday, mowed the lawn, did some laundry, did a few chores, and we're headed back to the boat. Supposed to be 4, 5, 6 days of good weather. So I want to show you what we do is we freeze. The freezer's just full of these. They're just like 2-liter and juice bottles, and you cut the top out of them and freeze them with water. And then we pack the cooler full of those blocks of ice. Okay, so we just left home, gonna head down to the coast, and we came by the Shriners Club out here, and there's a bald eagle just sitting on the ground in the parking lot. Wow, he's huge. Look at him. Whoa. Oh, he's got a bunny. He's got a bunny. Okay, so we normally come down after we leave home and kind of take the back way so we can ride the Minnesota Beach Cherry Branch Ferry.
Okay, so we're clamming, and John has found most of the clams, and I've got bitten by a crab, so I'm a little nervous.
Okie dokie. Bogue Sound, and Yulia and I are digging clams. We found quite a few good clams, so we should have a clam bake tonight.
You want a crab?
Yulia's found a crab over there. I'm seeing scallops. This is cool. The scallop fishery in Bogue Sound was kind of decimated 8 or 10 years ago, and they were worried if the fishery would ever come back, and we've been finding quite a few juvenile scallops, which is a good thing to see. So we're going to keep digging clams.
Oh, you could make a necklace out of it?
That would be beautiful. Bogue Sound, we have already dug a bunch of clams. We're just on the flats here. Sun's come out. It's supposed to be a beautiful afternoon. Yeah, so in addition to finding some good scallops and digging nice clams, there's some oyster rock over here, and in this grass, some real nice singles. We're not keeping oysters today, but if we were, real nice singles in here. Clam bake.
With the butter.
Clam bake.
Where's my fork? I need a fork.
So, actually not a clam bake. Steam pot.
Steam pot.
So, what are you doing, Yulia?
Oh, I'm having fun. I have a pool.
Oh, why'd you let it rain in our dinghy?
Because I didn't.
You want some bubble bath down there?
Yeah, please. Maybe a couple crabs, another beer, wine. Got another croaker on the line. I've been catching mostly small croakers. I don't think this one's a keeper either. But we got a few keepers in the cooler. Yeah, he's a little small. Alright, another beautiful day on Bogue Sound. A lot of people out in their boats. Yulia and I, look at there, got us a cooler full of clams. We dug probably 3, 4 dozen clams, and we caught
few spots, croakers, and hogfish. So we're gonna have fresh fish and clams for dinner. Hot damn! Look at that goose egg. That's gonna leave a mark. You're pretty good first mate.
I tried.
It's downwind all the way back to Peletier Creek. Probably, I don't know, it's probably 8 knots maybe out of the southwest. We're on a broad reach.
The sun was on the water, yeah, the wind